If you're tired of Google Chrome automatically signing you in every time you open a new tab or visit a Google site, this tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn off Chrome's auto sign-in feature, giving you more control over your privacy and online browsing experience. Let's get started. This process is really straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step and explain why it matters so you can make sure it's set up perfectly. Alright, first things first. Go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. You can do this the usual way, just double-click the Chrome icon on your desktop or find it in your applications. If you're like me and have several browsers installed, make sure you're in Chrome, not another one like Firefox or Edge. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how easy it is to click the wrong icon if you're rushing. With Chrome open, let your eyes find the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. This is Chrome's main menu, and it's your gateway to the browser's deeper settings. Go ahead and click those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with a bunch of options. Look for Settings, it's usually near the bottom of that list. Click on it. Now you're in Chrome's Settings page, and at first glance there can be a lot to take in. Don't worry though, I'll help guide you. At the top section you'll see You and Google. This section is all about your personal account connection, from syncing bookmarks to managing your profile. Click You and Google and then look for Sync and Google Services. These features help keep your experience seamless across devices, but sometimes seamless can mean a little too automatic, especially when it comes to signing in. So go ahead and click Sync and Google Services. At this point, you'll see a list of options related to sync, privacy, and personalization. One option you want to focus on is called Allow Chrome Sign-In. This feature tells Chrome whether it should automatically sign you into the browser just because you've signed into a Google site, like Gmail or YouTube. If this is switched on, Chrome will connect your browser profile with your Google account automatically, syncing things like bookmarks, passwords, and history. Look for the toggle switch next to Allow Chrome Sign-In. To disable auto sign-in, simply click that switch so it's turned off. It might take a moment for Chrome to register your choice. Once it's off, Chrome won't automatically link your Google account to the browser. You'll have to sign in manually if you want to sync something, giving you more control over when and how your data is shared. That's it, you've turned off Google Chrome's auto sign-in feature. If you ever want to go back, just retrace these steps and flip the switch back on. Remember, with this setting disabled, you might notice that some things, like bookmarks or saved passwords, won't automatically update across devices unless you sign in manually. But for many users, this is a small price to pay for a little extra privacy. So I hope this tutorial helped you get to grips with Chrome's auto sign-in settings and take charge of your browsing experience. If you found this guide useful, please give the video a thumbs up. That really helps out the channel. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions or if there are other Chrome mysteries you'd like explained. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.